Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I am going to show you how to enable Instagram Gold Notes on your mobile device. If you want to add a bit of flair to your Instagram notes, follow these steps. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your mobile device. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram and update the app if needed. Open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can access your settings. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Then select Settings. Scroll down and look for the Notes feature under the Account section. In the Notes settings, you should see an option for Gold Notes. Toggle this on to activate the feature which will allow you to create notes with a golden hue, making your messages stand out. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled Instagram Gold Notes on your mobile device. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.